What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another install. You already know it's on Lucy's car. So today we actually are installing a rear diffuser and some reflector lights because right now these things are red and then she's missing the whole diffuser. So my friend Ferb in Connecticut, shout out to Ferb, he actually gave Lucy this diffuser to put on her car, and he gave us some reflector lights. Right here he gave us these ones, but we also have these. So I'm gonna call up Lucy and see which one she wants to install, whatever one she wants. And then the other one, I mean, we'll keep it for now. We'll figure out what to do with it later. But it's pretty simple. So we have the diffuser, you know how it goes. We put the diffuser on, and then we take the bumper off, pop the reflectors in, and then plug them all in. That's pretty much it. So let's get to work. These guys are pissing me off. This isn't even the right screw. I think we have more than that. Putting the correct screws back, bro. First one out. So we have these reflectors right here. So these ones are like mine. They're exactly like the one on my car. They're purple here, and then they're just red and turret signal and all that normal stuff. So this one has like a strobe when you brake. These are the ones Ferb gave us. Again, they're normal. Everything's kind of the same, except it doesn't say Accord and it doesn't strobe when you press the brake. But like I said, I'm gonna call her and then she's gonna decide which one she wants. So let me plug them in and show her a video or something and see what she says. While I wait for her answer, I might as well take the screws off for this bottom trim right here. Pretty simple. There's one screw right over here. Just unscrew this right here. And then after that, you should be able to just take this whole trim off. It's on each side. I realized the microphone was muted and there's no audio because I kind of recorded in slow motion. But basically, we're gonna just pull off the trim. Then there's two clips underneath that trim. Just pop it right out. So at this point, Lucy got back to me and she explained which one she wanted on the car. So she chose the strobe one. Those are the ones that Ferb gave us. She didn't want to put those on. She wanted to put the other ones on because they strobe when you press the brakes. That's basically what I'm saying there in this clip. So I don't know what we're gonna do with that yet. We're just gonna put those to the side, and then if she wants to switch out later, we will. If not, I mean we just have it. We're just gonna put the reflector on. Pretty simple. 3 screws, pop it in, and then bring the wire up on both sides. I'm just gonna put the diffuser pieces on because I already screwed both reflectors in. So just pop the side pieces on both sides. Put in the wire through, snaking it through the bumper, so I have it ready to go to get plugged in. Put the bumper back on. So we're gonna move on to putting the bumper on. After you put the bumper on, then we're gonna get on to putting the diffuser. So I'm just here getting all the reflectors, wires ready to go. But before you actually plug everything together, first you're gonna plug your diffuser light in, and then you're gonna plug in your reflectors. Because if you don't do that, then I think the diffuser light's not gonna work, or the reflectors, one or the other is not gonna work, and it's gonna give you issues. So you make sure you plug in the diffuser light first and then your reflectors after. After that, just button up everything, put the tail lights back on, and then that should be it. Okay, so I put everything back together. I kind of realized the video was in slow motion, so you probably heard a whole lot of voiceovers, but this is all on. I called Lucy, she chose these reflectors over the other ones, and I put everything back together. So now just that it had the wrong clips. So I have some new ones I'm gonna put on. Because if you know me, I hate when people put the wrong clips back. They had the wrong screws, the wrong clips. So I put all the right stuff. Alright, so everything is on. The purple looks so dark. But I mean, you'll see it better at night. So everything is on, reflector's on, third brake light or diffuser light, whatever you want to call it, is on. Obviously the tail light's back on. And everything seems to be working. I went underneath, I clipped it. We are missing the pieces that go right here. But we do have that. I just gotta find them because when I picked it up from Ferb, he didn't have it on his car because obviously the mufflers he had, it wouldn't require that. Obviously I could put them on, I just gotta find them. So I'll find them and put them on the car. So that's it for now. I'm just gonna give you some B-roll, some nighttime shots and all that, and then I'll see you guys in the next video that's gonna happen pretty soon. Let me just talk to Frank and see if we're gonna do it. But yeah. That'll be it. So shout out to Fer for the diffuser right here. If you guys haven't, subscribe to his channel, link down below, maybe up here in the corner. The diffuser did come out good and it suits the car pretty good. I also did add the bottom pieces that I got the exhaust done. See that in the next video. But the car is pretty much coming together. You know, we're just missing a few bits here and there. Oh yeah, I also added this side spats because Ferb did give us that too. So, again, little bits here and there. A few more things need to come. We do need to get a trunk spoiler for this thing, and then we need to get some side skirts, but everything else came out pretty good. If you guys did enjoy the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.